Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I've shared how to apply gold leaf, which is a very beautiful gold when you see it on the pot. Now and it's a bit fiddly. So today I wanted to share how to take this pot and with a little bit of gold wax produce this. Isn't this just amazing? Let me just get rid of that. Now the difference between the wax and the gold leaf is this is so much easier to apply. Now before I go too far, I do need to share that the gold leaf is very, very fine and it's very delicate and it's fragile. So you do have to put a wax or a finish over that to protect it. With this, once it's on, once it's dry, it is robust and it's firm and it's hardy, and it just takes an ordinary pot like this to a new level of marvelousness, and it's so quick. Let me just demonstrate. Now there's lots of this gold wax on the market. You can get it in gold, you can get it in silver, and you can get it in bronze. Just a little jar, a little bit expensive, but let me tell you, this goes for miles. Let me just share. You need a paintbrush. I like to use this type of a paintbrush. Let me just put that down on its side like so. Little bit goes a long way. And it's just a matter of, look at this, look how easy this is. I want all of that lovely relief stuff there to be covered in the gold. Oh, it's marvelous, marvelous, marvelous stuff. You can apply more if you want to into the center so that those bits come out a little bit more. And then once that's on, it's just a matter of getting a cloth and just rubbing to burnish that to bring up the luster. Look at that. Isn't that just amazing? I love it. So much better than the gold leaf. So if you're thinking you want to do some gold leafing or gilding onto anything, I would go with this anytime. Now you do have to use terps to clean up because it is a mineral base. But look at that, how easy is that? That's what I call instant gratification. Hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.